In the previous clipping, we saw about the iron and steel industry. In this clipping, we are going to revise the sugar industry of India. Well, the sugar industry of India, we must know that sugar industry, the basic raw material which is required is the sugar cane, and it is the agro based industry, because the raw material is coming from the agricultural sector. As sugarcane is very heavy and is also perishable, therefore, we need to have the sugar mills in the close proximity of sugarcane producing areas, because if the distance required for transportation is more, then the sugarcane actually gets destroyed. That is, it is perishable. The sugar mills are mostly located, or the producing areas also are Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. But we are seeing a different trend these days. There is a change in this industry these days, and that is, this industry is shifting its base towards the southern and western states of India. Now, why is it so? For the simple reasons that, first of all, the sugarcane that is produced in south is more juicy and of better quality than produced in other states of India. Second factor is, here seasonal labor is easily available. So, the labor as and when required, as this industry is seasonal in nature, they easily get the labor. Next is, most of these industries in south and western states have been started and are run by cooperative sectors, which makes it easy for them to actually run these industries. So, when the labor is available, when the raw material is of a better quality and run by cooperative sectors, it is of course very understandable that this industry is going to move towards the southern and western states of India. But there are few problems which are faced by this industry in general, and those problems are that even today old and inefficient methods of production are being used in the sugarcane growing areas. That is, they have not picked up the better measures and not even the better methods of production for increasing their output. Second is, whatever happens, but since it is very heavy and perishable, so there is a delay in transportation of the raw material from the area where it is grown to the production unit, which is a big problem for the industry. You must remember few other facts. Once again we revise it, and the few important facts of the sugar industry are, first of all, India is the leading producer of gur and khansari in the world, followed by coming to number 2 in the production of sugar. Second is that the sugarcane growing areas, wherever they are, actually the mills are getting confined only in those areas wherever the raw material is being grown. Third is, 60% of the sugar mills are located in Uttar Pradesh, followed by Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. You see this Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and all this I just now told you the reasons why people are shifting their base. And lastly, it is a seasonal industry. Therefore, when it is run by cooperative sectors or when seasonal labor is easily available in the area, it shifts its base towards that.